welcome again to Let's Talk podcast. So today's episode is very special and it will be in a mix of Hindi and English. And our guest speaker for today is someone very special, close to my heart. And I'm honestly a little overwhelmed today doing this introduction for her. And after almost a year of trying to have one of my favorite people on the podcast, and trust me, this one feels really special. She's someone I have known since 2005 years. That's almost 2 decades. And she's truly one of those people who is beautiful inside out. She's humble, always helpful, and deeply involved in so many community-led initiatives and shows. And she genuinely gives her time and energy in whatever she does and the people that she connects with. One thing I absolutely love about her is that she reads energies. She reads energies and she just gets people and situations without much being said. And today, I'm really excited to welcome a good friend of mine, a very special friend of mine, Reshma Singh, or as most of us lovingly call her, Resh. And now we will sit back and hear more what Reshma has to tell us, what she has been brewing besides her daily life. It is. I'm honored, and I know you all will be really excited to hear more from Reshma. So, friends, जैसे कि हम अपन introduction में mention करा about Reshma Singh, and most of us, yes, call her Resh. So here she is. Welcome to Let's Talk podcast, Reshma. Resh, thank you so much कि आप अपन इतना busy time में से like एक छोटा सा समय हम लोग के लिए निकाला है to have this recording done. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Firstly, before हम लोग start करें, tell me कि आप अभी कैसे feel करता है?
First of all, I would say hi Natasha और जितने भी देखने वाले हैं मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार. And my feelings is I know you Natasha and I always call you Nats. I'm just normal. ऐसे कुछ मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि कुछ वो है because हम जानते हैं ना आपको, तो it's not a new thing for me and you are to be known face to me, so it's I'm alright.
Thank you. अच्छा, तो अब चलते हैं सुनने के लिए कि रेशमा आप हमें बताएं, हमारे लिसनर्स को बताएं, how was your life in Fiji in terms of like आप फिजी में क्या करते थे and आप community work में कैसे involved थे, वो आप हमें बताएं because I know, but our listeners, they would want to know.
Oh yes, sure. I'll start off with my childhood. जब मैं school जा रही थी, I'll start from the primary school. I was going to San Luis Obispo primary school, and then I went to high school, and I was a prefect as well, classroom prefect, and अच्छा था, and I had a lot of friends in Fiji, and then I grew up in Nasinu. And Pritam Singh Road was my chacha's name, under my chacha's name, dad ke younger brother. And my childhood life was good. And then when I grew up, and then फिर मैं काम करने लगी, ठीक है, तो फिर उसके बाद में फिर I started doing, it just came into my mind, do a lot of community work. So I used to go to the Samambula Gurdwara and do my seva. That was washing all the dishes, and अच्छा लगा मुझे, बहुत peace मिला, and especially when you do something for someone, तो दिल से एक ऐसा अच्छा एक feelings आता है कि you have done something for someone. And then I used to do this food beggars के लिए. So I used to make every Tuesday, Thursday, जो रोज मुझे time मिलता था, I used to do roti and curry and जो homeless people, I shouldn't say beggars, homeless people जो city में बैठते थे, सुबह city में. So I used to give them parcels, lunch time में जाके सब जितने भी street में बैठते थे, I used to give them, and that was another thing for me. I've done something very good, and that spiritual things comes from my heart, and you feel so happy about it कि तुमने कुछ किया है, and then after that I came into pranic healing, and that's a long story. I make it short. CDP Saroj, she brought pranic healing into Fiji, and I had a very bad gastric, and that's why I believe in pranic healing, energy healing, divine blessings. तो फिर मैं उसमें आई. I came into pranic healing. I had a very bad gastric, and which healed me. And we were taught कि कैसे अपने आप को cleanse करना है, सफाई करना है, energy आप कैसे अंदर में ला सकते हैं ना. वैसे तो हमारे पास सबके पास energies है when you look into your aura. ना? So I came into this, and then I started doing healing. So I had a small shop in Wamanu Road, just down below CFL where you were, and that's how I came to know. And I used to have a small shop where I used to do sewa. I wasn't charging anyone. It was just a donation thing. Whoever comes to me, whatever they want to put, उनका दिल से, उनकी मर्जी से वो रखते थे पैसा जितना भी चाहते थे. But I wasn't asking them कि इतना देना है मुझे, उतना देना है. So that's how I started my life with healings, and I'm still doing till today.
Wow, that's so amazing. The one thing, Reshma, I know it's been like 20 years of knowing each other, no? And we have seen lots of phases together. We've met a lot of people or connected hai unse na. One thing I have always known Reshma is that she's so energetic. Like sometimes I would think कि आप इतने energy, इतना bubbly personality है आपका, आप ये लाते कहाँ से हैं?
Good question, Natasha. Good question. जब दिल साफ रहता है, and if you do lot of things for people, जब हम ऐसे कुछ करते, it comes from the divine. Your energy जो आता है, it comes from the divine. लोग मुझे भी यहाँ पर भी पूछते हैं. I'm going to hit 67 and reaching up to 70 very soon. After 3 years, I shouldn't say my age, but लोग, they should know. So when I go to functions, there are a lot of charity functions here. There are a lot of shows in here as well. So जब मैं जाती हूँ तो I love my drink. Everybody knows that. And I love dancing. So when I used to dance and people say, oh my God, where are you getting this energy from? It just comes automatically. जब दिल साफ है तो सब कुछ ठीक है.
That's absolutely true. And I know there were a few articles that you have been posting on Facebook from back in the days. You know, one of the article that caught my eyes and which very much relates to you and was a well chosen word was you are a nightingale. आप इस बारे में कुछ आप बताएंगे हमें?
Sure, Natasha, जी हाँ मैं बताऊंगी. It came in the Fiji Times. I think Shanti do the Fiji Times में था. I had this kitty party for ladies. That's how I started. So जो वामानू रोड में मेरा जहाँ पर सेंटर था वहाँ पर upstairs में मैं वहाँ पर ये kitty party organize करती थी. तो वहाँ पर जितने भी ladies आते थे तो I used to entertain them, like from broken families, किसी की जो जो husband का वो होता है violence घर में, तो you know what, we used to bring them and entertain them. तो ऐसे होता था कि जब वो सब आते थे तो हम एक छोटा सा एक रूम था, वहाँ पर उनको मसाज करते थे, फिर उनको हम अच्छे अच्छे बात बताते थे, वहाँ पर उनको एक्सरसाइज कराते थे, मेडिटेशन कराते थे। तो उनका जो माइंड होता था, वो जब घर पे जाते थे तो यू नो दे हैड दिस काइंड ऑफ positive vibes in them. So I did a lot of this kind of energy and free of charge. उनको मोटिवेट करना, उनको मेडिटेशन कराना, उनको उच्चारण, empowering women especially, you know. And I've got this goal in me to empower women, not to let women down. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है, महिलाएं, कोई कोई महिलाएं यहाँ पर भी है, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहती हूँ, बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ लेडीज जो लेडीज को डाउन करते हैं, एंड इट शुडंट हैपन. इट कम्स एवरीथिंग इनटू दिस. बिजनेस कोई करता है तो उनको भी डाउन करते हैं, यू नो. हमारे लोग जो होते हैं, लाइक अब हम सब फिजी के यहाँ पर है, तो क्यों नहीं हम जितने भी फिजी के लोग हैं, एक एक को बढ़ावा देना चाहिए. इसके मतलब नहीं कि लेट देम डाउन, यू नो, यू पुट देम डाउन, इट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग टू डू. So there are some ladies, but I always support ladies, and I'm always there for standing for the ladies in whatever way. You know, in COVID nets, I've got a neighbor. There are two Lebanese ladies, old ladies. They are 70 plus. So they couldn't go down because I'm on the 7th level. So my steps are 110. So they couldn't go down and they couldn't come up. So 220 steps you have to climb, no?
Mhm.
So what I used to do myself is to go down to the shopping mall, unke liye bread, basic items, noodles, whatever they can survive with. So I used to bring it to them, unko main deti thi. So this is how I love doing this kind of things, you know. I stand for people. And recently what I have done, ये पंजाबी, हमारे पंजाबी friend है, उसका भी एक restaurant था, तो I just did something like polka dots, you know, and I just promoted his business. So and nothing goes into my pocket. लोग कहते होंगे कि वो रेशमा पैसा बनाती है, तो रेशमा इसमें पैसा नहीं बनाती है, and I help people, and I love doing that. It's a saying: the more you give, the more you receive.
Absolutely. And because आप इतनी passionate है, you know, people को मदद provide करने में, you know, like I have always known you कि जहाँ कोई कुछ भी need करता है, रेशमा is the first one to, you know, put her hands up and say कि मैं मदद करूँगी, चाहे idea हो या ना हो कि कैसे, but रेशमा always finds a way, you know. And I very much remember when the first time we met. उस समय मैं communications Fiji limited में काम करती थी, and Reshma would come meet and greet everyone, you know, like. So I personally started to think that she was a staff at CFL, you know, because she was like so much connected with everyone. You know?
Actually, I was doing community service as well in North Parang, Sargam, and FBC as well.
Oh, so please इस बारे में हमें बताएं.
ये तो ऐसा था, जब हम ये जो हीलिंग करते थे, इसमें चार्ज नहीं रहता था ना, तो इट वाज जस्ट लाइक अ सर्विस टू पीपल. तो मैं हमेशा जाती थी रेडियो स्टेशंस में, यू नो. माय प्रोग्राम रेणुका साथ थी, उनका नूर जहान थी, तो आई यूज्ड टू डू माय प्रोग्राम विथ नूर एंड देन रेणुका. तो ये कम्युनिटी सर्विस था. हम बताते थे ये चक्रस कैसे हम क्लेंस करते हैं, ये एनर्जी कैसे आता है, और जो कोई बीमार रहता तो यू नो हाउ यू बाथ विथ सॉल्ट वाटर बाथ एंड ऑल दैट. और सेम थिंग मैं FBCL में भी जाकर, वीना भटनागर उस टाइम थी, वहाँ पर करती थी. सुनील राज जो मर गया है अभी यहाँ पर ही दुनिया में नहीं है, उसके भी भगवान ऊपर जाके रक्षा करे. He was there as well. So I know a lot of media people, and that's why I came to know you.
Yes.
So it was very nice doing community service as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
And as you have mentioned about all this, you know, the chakra healing and you know, cleansing with salt water, etc. Personally, I learned it from you, you know, and I remember the very first time when you were coming home to heal me, you know, and for some reason that was the very moment that got me into this, the healing, the energies, cleansing,
Yeah.
all these things. So, and I must say that I have learned a lot from you, you know,
Thank you.
and it's a blessing, you know. I must say that Reshma जिसके भी life में है वो सब blessed है, you know.
And I think when you go to that stage, because ये जो healing होता है ये stages में था, ठीक है? So like you start from basics से, फिर then advanced, then crystal, psychotherapy, crystal, your hands can heal. So there were about 7. I've got 7 to 8 certificates from India as well. ये हीलिंग का था, स्पॉन्सर किया गया था मुझे इंडिया जाकर ये कोर्स करने के लिए, एंड आई थिंक आई वाज वन ऑफ द लकी वंस. एंड स्वर्गीय मृदुला प्रसाद डॉक्टर भी थी मेरे साथ में, एंड आई स्टिल remember, I just can't get over that woman. And this chakra thing, then you come to the stage where you have crystal healing. तो you do crystal healing. तो ये जो हमारा चक्रस है, 7 चक्रस है हमारे शरीर में, तो you know how to cleanse them, and then you should know how to energize them. And meditation is the main thing. When you are down, you are depressed, जो meditation होता है, Natasha, it's a very, very good thing. It will uplift you, So this is how, when I'm down, I do meditation every morning. When I get up from the bed, I do meditation. And Satya Pasha is still, I'm on the road. I don't have any sickness at this age. So I just thank my Vaheguruji for this.
और अब चलते हैं, बात करते हैं अबाउट आप जब पीजी से आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया आई, हाउ डिड यू स्टार्टेड योर जर्नी हियर, आपने कैसे लाइफ को नेविगेट किया, एंड I believe आप also got connected to so many beautiful, amazing people here too. So share those moments with us.
Yeah, Natasha, you have lots of ups and downs in your life, but then you have to be very strong to get up. And that's what I did. So from Fiji, when I came here, I was looking after my brother. He was on dialysis, so I came and stayed with him for 5 years. And then I started looking after him. And then later on, it started with my people used to come to me for healings. They used to come for meditation. So I used to do all that at my brother's place. And then later on, I moved to Queensland. Queensland, I was there for about 6-7 months, and then I moved down to Sydney. So the people in here, those who know me, they are lovely people. They are wonderful. They are close to my heart, those who know me. But those who don't know me, they will talk about me. Sorry to say this, but I'm a blunt person. I will talk straight on the face, and that's in me. I don't aage piche. I'm not an aage piche person.
No filter.
So, no filter. So what I am. This is Reshma. So my life is good, Natasha. Babaji ki kripa hai, Rab ki kripa hai. I've got wonderful friends here. They all care for me, and the most important thing is I've got a lot of children here. Every time people call me auntie, mummy, mata shiri, they all love me. So from bottom of my heart, I would like to thank them, and I would like to bless them as well.
Wow, such a, while recording this podcast, Reshma, I must say the energy here is so refreshing.
Thank you.
I guess when one person is positive about life, they can already
Yes.
like detect or gauge or feel the vibe of the other person. Yes.
I have seen this, Natasha. An active person won't belong with you. There will be something, that person will move away from your life. But the positive ones will be there all the time. You know, I've got friends for 50 years, friends. I just came across Gyan Prabha is here, and we got friendship for about 50 years. She's from FBC and Fiji Times as well.
Yes.
And all these people are still my good friends. You know, 50 years निभाना भी एक काम होता है कि आज यहाँ पर तो कभी कभी लोग आज फ्रेंड बनाते हैं, 2 हफ्ता रखते हैं, तीसरा हफ्ता उनका गॉसिप करके and they cut off. You know, they no more friends. So, you know, if you're a positive person, the positivity will be there with the positive people.
Yes.
And if you're an active person, उसके बातें भी भूल जाओ.
Speaking of that, you know, like how we're talking about this energy thing, you know, like something that I keep thinking, you know, अभी का जो generation है, this younger generation, you know, any small thing happens, they are like, oh, you know, मुझे anxiety हो गया है, you
Yeah.
know, depression हो गया है, I can't handle this, you know. So what do you think of, I mean, have you come across those younger ones, like, and when I say those younger ones, I mean the younger ones that are younger than me, you know.
Yes.
So like what is your take on that, like
I think Natasha, आजकल के जो बच्चे हैं वो ले नहीं पाते ना, like I don't know, maybe they are not being taught by the parents. The main thing is the parents. They should bring up their children the way they want, है ना. तो कभी कभी अभी जो फोन आ गया ना, सब फोन पे टिप टॉप करते रहते हैं ना, तो इवन पेरेंट्स उनके पास भी टाइम नहीं रहता है to teach the children how you empower yourself. जैसे अभी हम थे, हमारे पेरेंट्स बहुत कुछ हमें सिखाते थे, you know, like ये जो अभी सब ये जो फेक सब मेडिसिन आ गया, हम तो सब जड़ी बूटी पी के बड़े हुए.
herbal.
Yeah,
Yes.
herbal. You know, तो अब ये जमाना में ये सब नहीं है, तो लड़कन वो सब बोला नहीं करते. थोड़ा से कुछ होता है, they will just say, oh, I went into depression. किसी का girlfriend छोड़ देता है, boyfriend. What they do, they go and suicide themselves. So they don't have that kind of courage. उनका जो willpower बहुत weak है. But for us, our willpower is very strong, and we try to, you know, teach others to be strong.
Yes.
You know. And you have to be somebody. You have to stand for your own, you know, fight for your own self.
Yeah, that's very true. You know, जब तक हम खुद navigate नहीं करेंगे, खुद
Yes.
gauge नहीं करेंगे, experience नहीं करेंगे, and there will be situations that will really break us, you know,
Yes.
to a point कि हम सोचेंगे कि okay, you know, this is it. अब I can't take it anymore, you know. But I think when we look at it in a spiritual perspective, you know, then there is nothing known as कि अब रास्ता खत्म हो गया, you know.
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, you know, because the thing is, it's just that your brain is so clogged, so cluttered कि अब वो सोचना बंद कर चुका है, you know.
Yes.
But when you are really into finding the solution is there, you know. You just
Yes.
have to
Huh.
maybe talk to
Yeah.
someone.
Talk to someone.
Yeah, talk to someone, you know. Or the other thing, I see your posts on Facebook. आप दिवाली लटांजे से, you know, all the sweets आप बनाए थे, पकोड़े बनाए थे, you know. And ये भी कोई छोटा मोटा बैच नहीं था. It was like मैंने सोचा कि आप community को, you know, बांट रही है.
Actually, what happened, Natasha, when I made the sweets, there were so many deaths around.
Oh.
So, जो हमारे close थे, तो what I did, and there are a lot of Muslim भाई बहन, you know, they used to call me for Eid at their place. So, you know, my unit is like a small unit, so I can't invite about 70, 80 people. You know, 20, 25 is that's the last number I can invite people. So, you know, it's a common sense कि हम खुद बना के उनके घर पे ले जाके दे. You know, that's why I made all this. And I remember one time in North Tarang, there was a Diwali sweets competition, and I came second in that as well. You know, so this is how, you know, if you got a positive mind, you can do positive things.
Of course,
you
yes,
know.
Yes.
So ये जो मिठाई, I hardly buy sweets. I make all at home. Even Christmas time, I don't make. I don't buy cakes. I make fruit cakes at home.
Wow. And here is someone who doesn't know how to bake. But
No, I won't say that. You can do it, but you know, you should have time. And I
yes,
can
definitely.
understand that you are so busy, you know.
In fact, there's this little story behind the why I don't want to bake or why I just quit. I think I was in secondary school when I wanted to bake or just show it off to my sister that I can bake too. So I was following this recipe, and then this recipe said that you know use 2 eggs or 3 eggs, but little Missy decided to use 5 eggs.
Oh,
So jab baking hua, and then what happened is that it turned out to be like a rubber, you know. And then I was like, okay, this is it. Maybe the universe is telling me that I cannot, be a baker or something.
Baker.
So yeah, let's focus on something else.
but you are good in biryani.
Oh,
I
yes.
love your biryani. I remember you came home once and you said, "Oh, Natasha, you have to make biryani," and so you did it, and it was so tasty. Oh my God! And we all loved it. You know, in Hindi में नहीं बोलते हैं कि हंडी चाट के खा लिया. So that was it.
Thank
you know?
you. Thank you so much, Reshma. Acha, let's jump back to Fiji ka jo, your connection. I believe you're still very much connected and have the influence to those that are connected with you and are residing in Fiji, So do you help out कोई community work में या कोई रकम के ऐसे कुछ promotional campaign कुछ ऐसा होता है personal?
You mean I do it from here for Fiji?
हाँ,
Okay.
ऐसा कुछ.
I used to do that, but अभी COVID के बाद मैं थोड़ा slow कर दिया. But I still do. I still got 2-3 cartons there. So what I do, I send it to the Gurdwara, and what they do, they distribute. And as you know, my daughter is in Fiji. So what I used to tell her, if there is a needy person जिसका घर जल गया है or something like that, you just give the money and I will send you the money to you in your account. So I still do. I still feel for Fiji people because हम Fiji के हैं तो जरूर पेन एक रहेगा ना. इसके मतलब नहीं हम ओवरसीज आएंगे तो हम गोरे बन गए ना. हमारा एक रूट है, it's still there ना.
Absolutely. और besides, I mean, a lot of community work जो आप यहाँ पे करते हैं, जो energy healing work भी करते हैं, I mean, like that is the sewa,
Yeah.
and absolutely you don't get any monetary value out of it.
No.
However, आप जैसे professionally आप क्या करते हैं? Like do you do a day care like जैसा होता है या फिर sort of कोई support system है, क्या करते हैं आप?
एक्चुअली हम जो सेंटर लिंक है ना उसमें है, फिर पेंशनर है ना, like I'll be hitting 67 soon, so I'll start be getting pension as well. Pension. There are a lot of people who, if I'm doing healing here, they used to come home as well. So whatever they want to give, I don't ask them. They just give whatever they want to give. तो हमारा जब ऊपर वाला है तो सब चीज ठीक ठाक से चलता है. And I'm blessed, I've got wonderful people around me. Fiji से लेकर यहाँ से लेकर अमेरिका, इंडिया तक, my dad's family is from India as well. So, the blessing is there from my chachi, from my chacha, taya, tai, they all bless me, and I think I'm so blessed and I'm so lucky that I'm here and I'm doing this seva, and, बोलते हैं कि the more you give, the more you receive.
Yes.
So this is the thing. कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि हम जाके लॉटरी खेलते हैं ना, तो उसमें भी कुछ मिल जाता है ना. फिर I love horse betting. I mean, I know my niece Shania, she doesn't like, she's an animal lover. So she will never like if I'm going to do a bet, horse betting. Because उनके भी problems हो जाता है. I feel for them as well. But I love doing horse betting, so I win a lot of money in there as well. I think ये ऊपर अल्लाह का कुदरत है कि मुझे घोड़ा में जैसे पैसा मिल जाता है.
हाँ हाँ ये तो सही बात है. I mean like I understand like when as an animal lover, you know, like
Yeah.
I do see posts and I think to myself, you know, like, oh, you know, they are going through so much of suffering, etc.
Yeah.
But at this day and age, I think we also need to understand that you know, these ways that people are getting paid, you know. So and absolutely that doesn't mean कि आप एक animal को you know suffering दो, but I think there can be like, you know, things that can work better,
Huh.
like trained or something like that, no? But I mean that's not our field,
Yes.
so I can't
हाँ.
really comment on
Yeah.
that.
And it's
Yeah.
शुरू से होता है ना,
हम्म
तो people अब उसमें हो गए ना,
हाँ
चाहे फिजी थे हम चाहे यहाँ पर,
हाँ
वो एक mindset हो जाता है, हॉर्स बैटिंग है या मेलबर्न कप है,
Yes.
whatever, you know, हम जाते हैं ना interest लेके.
yes yes
So we feel sorry for the animals, but you know, I love animals as well, but जो है वो है.
yes yes yes. And speaking of animals, you know, like traveling, I have traveled to quite few countries,
Yeah.
You know, outside Fiji. तो मैंने देखा है कि you know there are some those countries that I have visited so far, the respect for animals, the care they,
Yes.
you know, like those things, and then as opposed to then you see those social media posts that says things about, you know, animal abuse and all that thing,
Yeah.
you know. So I hope that you know someday, you know, those strays or those animals that are being abused are freed, etc. But and all we can do as humans, as good human beings, is just pray for them, you know, and send energies to them
Yeah,
too. You know?
I when I was in Fiji, Natasha, I used to do. There was a cat, you know, who got very sick, and the person called me. It was 12:30 in the
Midnight.
morning.
Oh yeah
A.m.
yeah
12:30 a.m. And I saw my phone was being no buzzy. So I thought, मैंने बोला किसका phone इतना बजे आ गया? So I just said hello. And then she said, "Oh, Rushma, please, मेरा kitty बहुत बीमार है. Can you please help? You know, do my."
Why do I
long
feel that
distance?"
this person I can relate who this person might be.
Yeah. And then I got up. You won't believe, Natasha. I got up. I had my brush. You know, नहा के तो मैं सूती थी. When I do meditation, I
Yeah.
always keep myself clean, so the positive energy
Mhm.
comes into the aura. Na? So I just got up and I started healing this kitty. And then we had lot of puppies at home, doggies. So there was a female one. She was giving birth. That whole night I didn't sleep, and I was just blessing her, because in pregnancy you can't do anything because we use colors.
Yes.
So the only thing you can just use white color, you know, just to calm them down, to
Right.
relieve the pain.
Right.
So that's what I was doing, and then in the morning I got up and my mother-in-law said, "Why आँखें is फुला तुम्हारा आँखें क्यों फुला है?" मैंने बोला वो बा मैं रात भर सोती नहीं, मैंने क्यों कर रही थी, क्या कर रही थी? मैंने बोला वो डॉग के हील कर रही थी. मैंने हाय ये मेरी डिक्री तो, you know, she says things
Yes.
like that. I mean,
Yes.
like, I'm sorry she's no more in my life now, she passed away. So I still think of her. Yeah.
Acha, Resh. So, you know, speaking of this horse betting, the winning, you know, I know you always get excited when you win. I mean, we all do. But, you know, I must mention this, that, you know, back when I used to work for Communications Fiji Limited, and मैं वहाँ पे sales executive थी, and there was this competition, on-air competition, और उसमें आपने भाग लिया था, you know, and you won this Colgate Millionaire for a day. Was it for a day?
Yeah, for a day.
Yes.
But 2 days ka tha na?
Ha. So that whole package involved your pickup, the helicopter ride, and Westin Denarau में कि
No, it was limo.
It was
Limousine.
limousine में. Okay, right, हाँ. Or because I vaguely remember what the package was like, even though I was the one who had drawn the name and picked Reshma's name. I did not pick. It was actually like from
Actually
that
came, yeah.
like how do you say that?
ड्रॉ करके वो जो
हाँ
नाम
हाँ
निकालते
हाँ
हैं ना.
हाँ हाँ. तो how was that the moment, and to be honest, when the name was picked and I opened it and I said Reshma Singh, it didn't even click to me ki this is the Reshma Singh,
Yes,
you know.
yes. I remember, when I heard this advertisement was going in Northern, and then I started collecting. So I had about 1,000+ Colgate packets, and then I said randomly, मैंने बोला कि मैं जाके post में वो फेंक दूँ ना, like I just dropped it. And then the day they announced, I thought because CFL ऊपर था, मेरा office नीचे था, so just 2 minutes walk. And then the call came. I think it was Alex or Fred or somebody.
No, I think it was Russell.
Oh, Russell.
Russell Fong was with FM 96.
Oh, okay.
हमने सभी ये जो ड्रॉ था हमने सब स्टेशन से कलेक्ट करके हमने FM 96 के स्टेशन में ड्रॉ किया था.
अच्छा. So they called me and I said hello. I had a client that time, na. So I said hello. Normally they joke ना, जो CFL के staff वो कभी-कभी मेरे साथ में रिंग करके joke भी करते थे ना. तो I thought someone is just kidding ना. तो hello, this is Reshma. मैंने बोला कि yes, this is Reshma. I said, oh Reshma, you're a winner. I said, winner of what? And he said, Colgate. You're the winner, millennia of the day. Yeah. And I thought he was kidding. I said, stop bullshitting. And that was my word because I was lost. I thought he's just kidding. So he said, no, true, you have to come to the office. So मैंने ऊपर गई चढ़ के पहाड़ CFL office and I saw you standing there and there was, Parkinson was standing
yes,
there. All the people, workers were there, colleagues of yours and all. And then I just said, I was on air right that spot on day. And then he said, you the winner. I said, don't lie. And I was just talking, and I said, oh my God, I just couldn't. That moment was something for me. And I was like taken in limousine 2 nights and I had $1,000 shopping voucher, check from Westpac, I still remember. And $200 worth of shopping voucher from Jack's and Westin. I had 2 nights, so, and above all, I had $200 off anything you want to drink, hot stuff.
Oh.
So I tasted little.
That was a jackpot.
That was a jackpot, And I said, oh my God, I am the winner. And they picked me up and we went in the limousine. And they had a massage as well. And they yes. treated me like a queen.
Yes.
Red carpet.
Yeah.
And they garlanded me. It was something very different which I experienced in my life, Natasha.
Yes.
And that was my first experience, like I can say. And I still got that in me. Abhi tak hai wo, mere saath mein, what I went through that day. Oh my God, that was something. And thanks to you, Natasha. And then I looked at you that day and I said, oh my God. And then Essen was saying, you are favored by someone. I said, no.
And was there a helicopter ride as well?
No. There was only a limo will pick you up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then bring you back. And the hotel was...
Right,
included in that package deal. And then I had a lot of gifts as well. I think CJ Patel or somebody was giving the Colgate Palmolive.
It would have been a Colgate Palmolive hamper pack or something like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I had soap, I had shampoo, big packs,
Yes.
Oh, first time in my life I have done something like that. And then second one was horse betting. In Melbourne Cup I won. So, ऊपर वाला के कृपा है मैं हमेशा lucky रहूं. And लोगों का कृपा,
Yes,
it's a blessing from the people. If you do good things, you'll get good things.
If this podcast was done back in that day, I mean, when you won the Colgate Millionaire Prize, And if this was a sponsored podcast, I would say, I would give credit to Colgate Palmolive.
Oh yeah.
However, this is not sponsored at all, but we're getting there.
Oh yes. I think who are listening, the Harshad people, business people, please do sponsor sponsor Natasha if you are listening.
Yeah, अच्छा अब थोड़ा से शिफ्ट होके हम बात करते हैं about how you I know you are busy, every day Reshma is busy, and we have to understand that because so many people आपको एडवांस में बता देते हैं ना कि ये करना है, वो करना है, यहाँ आना है, यहाँ जाना है, but when आप बिजी नहीं रहते हैं,
हाँ.
तो आपका दिन कैसा रहता है?
Okay, good question. जब हम बिजी नहीं रहते, जब that's a जब but तब मूवी देखती हूँ. कभी काल. I'm not a movie lover. I hardly watch movie, but if something कुछ आ जाता है Netflix में, तो वो देखती हूँ. फिर मैं चली जाती हूँ कहीं राइड, फ्रेंड्स रहते हैं उनके साथ में, तो I just जब मिलता है मौका, तब वो तो जब की बात है.
Like prior to this, I mean, in fact, including this podcast recording, we were rescheduling it from like 2024, right?
Yeah, I know.
From 2024 and then 2025 when I was here twice, and I mean, I understand, and then we had to walk around your time, and and even this visit to we had to reschedule it within that few days of
I know. We couldn't get in touch with each other.
So that's how busy Reshma is. So even if I personally have to message her, I will have to be mindful that okay, is the timing right? Would she be busy? और अगर मैं देखती हूँ ओ रेशमा ने एक relaxed post किया है Facebook पर या कुछ story है, oh then right now she's not busy and she'll be able to see my message and reply.
Yeah.
But I'm so thankful, Reshma, ki no matter what it is, we are still connected, and then you still continue to guide me, educate me, and before this session of this podcast is over, मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि not मैं but of course for our listeners कि what is your message for the people who are going to watch this podcast, and that includes like the younger people, the the ones that are in my age category, and then of course those senior citizens as well. What's your message to them?
Yeah, the first thing I would like to say, Natasha, जो ये हमारे तरफ से जो मैसेज रहेगा, ये बहुत ही पावरफुल वर्ड्स है. The first thing is love. जब लव रहता, प्यार रहता है, तो you win everybody's heart, and you will be there to serve people. जब तुम जीत लेंगे लोगों को उनके प्यार मोहब्बत से, तो they will love you. That blessings will come to you. जैसे अभी आपने मुझे बोला कि ओल्ड एज के पीपल, यंग के पीपल, मैं फर्स्ट थिंग यही बताना चाहती हूँ कि जो हमारा हम कभी कभी लोग सुनते हैं कि ये मेडिटेशन क्या है, it's easy to say, but when you do it, it gives you $1 million. उसको मिलता है, to do the healing meditation. And I think when you are depressed, for young people, easily don't take your life. Counselors hai, You know, talk to the counselors, talk to good people जो शला मशूरा कर सकते हैं. You know, this is for the young people जो अभी फिजी में मैंने देखा there are a lot of young people dying. You know, जब देखते हैं तो सुसाइड कोई करता, कोई पाराकुट पी लेता, कोई हैंग कर लेता. And I think this is not the solution for that. You have to talk to people, come out, open up, you know, and tell them that I'm going through this, you know, and talk to people whom you trust. You know, कभी-कभी लोग ऐसे उसका बात सुन के वहाँ जाके ऐसे बताते हैं, उसको
जजमेंटल
बताते
हो
हैं.
जाते हैं.
Yes. So I think this is my message to the young ones. You know, to be positive and be strong. Don't give your life easily. And thirdly, for my elderly, हमारे भी जितने young लोग हैं, you know, they have to give that respect to elderly people. उनको भी एक इज्जत करना, उसको भी प्रणाम करना, उसको भी पैरी पहना. तो जो elderly people का जो blessings होता है Natasha, it's a big thing. You know, they will bless you. उनका blessings लगता है. You know, and I have done all this, you know, done and dusted. Now I'm talking about this. You know, तो जो हमारे ओल्ड एज पीपल है उनको भी एक रिस्पेक्ट करना है. ना, हम कभी कभी से ट्रेन में भी जाते हैं, जब ट्रेन भरा रहता है तो मैं जब देखती हूँ कोई बुढ़ी या बूढ़ा कोई चल रहा है, यू नो, आई ऑलवेज स्टैंड अप एंड आई से यू टेक द सीट. सो इफ यू गोना डू ऑल दोस थिंग्स, वो मुंह में नहीं बोलेंगे बट अंदर में उनका एक भावना आएगा कि देखो बेचारी या बेचारा खड़ा हो गया मेरे लिए, इसको यू नो भला करे, गॉड ब्लेस हर, ब्लेस हिम. You know, so those are the things you have to do for people. And be positive and start loving each and everyone. ये जो hatred है, you know, ये कभी it will take you nowhere. So just be yourself and try to help people, try to love people, and this is my message to everyone.
And one thing I have learned from you, which I also knew, but you know, it was you know, back in the days it was very rare for like उस समय ऐसा सुनना किसी से कि you know कि आप किसी की मदद करो without any expectation.
Yes.
You know, आप पूरी अपने पूरे दिल से मदद करो, you know, same as with love, respect, you know, without even having those expectation कि oh, you know, ये person should feel obligated towards me, you know, like never. So that is one thing that has has been stuck with me, you know, and thank you, Reshma. I think growing and progressing had your blessings as well, you know. And I'm so blessed that आप you know हमारे लाइफ में है. And of course again आपने इतना टाइम निकाल के you know हमारे साथ बातें की. And this is actually the first podcast episode that we have done with a guest speaker that is in both Fiji Hindi and bit of like our you know India Hindi, you know,
India
like
Hindi,
and then English as well. So you know, I believe that this will reach to our audiences, our listeners, and you'll be able to relate, and you'll be able to share the message with your loved ones. Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you, Reshma, and thank you, my listeners. And stay tuned because this is just not one of the episodes. This is not the only episode with Reshma, because in future, maybe sometimes again this year, I'll be catching up with her and bringing some more, you know, chatpata story, and also who knows, you know, because she loves to cook, so we might be bringing you something that she is cooking. You know?
Yes, sure. Natasha, definitely.
So thank you so much, listeners. Thank you so much,
Thank
Reshma.
you, Natasha. Thank you so much, and thank you to all the listeners. Dil se dhanyavad, shukriya, abakat.
Thank you, and don't forget to follow Let's Talk podcast. And please आप अपना comments भी कीजिए. You can comment message me, email me, reach out to Let's Talk podcast, and I'll be able to answer your questions. And also just letting you know that if you are interested to be a guest speaker, and if it's for a virtual episode as well, most welcome. Thank you so much. Bye. Happy New Year.